I'm doing a problem now that feels like one of those train problems.
I'm going to watch your video as many times as I need to solve it because math is messy. I watched once and I learned that there are 27 people split into three groups. The first two groups combined have 14 people in them, and then that third group has 13 people. So together that makes 27. I'm going to go watch it again. Okay, I watched again, and it appears that the first two groups, these two up here, are going to be getting 4 stickers. And you said something about them, but I didn't catch it, so I'm going to have to watch again. And then you said this group is getting, I believe, 2 stickers. I'm going to go watch again to pick up what I missed about this part. Okay, so I watched again, and I was right. So these 14 people that are over here, groups 1 and 2, they're getting 4 stickers. 1 of them is shiny, and 3 of them are dull. You called them not shiny. I'm sure they're not dull. They're very interesting. But the other 13 are getting dull stickers. Oh, that watch gave me a lot of good information. So I learned that the non-shiny stickers are printed in rows of 3 with 3 columns. So I'm going to draw that this way. So I'm making them all green because they're dull, not shiny, but I'm just going to draw them as 3 different shapes so that I can visually understand that there's 3 different stickers going on here, 3 of each kind. Okay, it's finally time for me to actually hear what you're asking, and you're asking how many sheets do you need to print? Okay, so I don't know the answer to this question yet, but I'm going to try to see if I can figure out anything. So this seems complicated because you have 3 different sheets, but I'm trying to just focus in on this shiny. I know right now that you only need 14 shiny stickers. So I'm going to just try to think of how those will print. I'm assuming that you can fit 9 shiny stickers on one sheet so that they'll look like this. Shiny, 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 shiny. So if you print 1 sheet of shiny, you will have 9. So if you want 14, you're going to need 2 sheets of 9. But that's going to make 18, which will leave you with 4 left over. So you'll use up these 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and these, wait, they're shiny. Let me use red. These shiny here, those will be left over. So I don't know if I need to know that, but I'm just going to keep that in mind for a minute. Okay, what do I do now? Okay, well, let's see if I can figure out how many dull stickers you're going to need. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to first figure out how many you need for your first 2 groups. These 2 groups, there's 14 people. I'm not sure why they're in 2 groups. I'm wondering that. I don't know if I need to know that, but I know that they are going to get 1 shiny sticker each and 3 dull stickers each. So I'm going to do 14 groups of 3. 14 times 3. And I know that 10 times 3 is 10, so 30, 42. Okay, so that equals 42 dull for 1 and 2. To find the number of dull you need for group 3, the 13 people, I'm just going to do 13 groups of 2 stickers. When you multiply, you make groups. So 13 times 2 is 13 groups of 2, and that is 26 dull stickers for group number 3. So in total, I know that you need 68 dull stickers. However, I'm wondering, do these 2 dull stickers need to be a specific 2? I'm not sure. Do they need to be 2 different stickers? Do they need to be the same 2? Do they need to always be, for example, does it always need to be a circle and a triangle? Can it be a circle and a triangle, or a circle and a square, or a triangle and a square? I don't know that from the video, so I'm not sure. So I'm going to have to make an estimate based on what I would guess if I were making this, and I'll try my best. Okay, so I figured something out. For the 14 people, you're going to need 14 of each of the dull stickers. 14 of these, 14 of these, and 14 of these. And you're going to need that 3. There's 3 types. So you're going to need 42 total stickers. So 14 of each sticker and 42 total dull stickers for this group over here. Now, what I did here was made a little table. If you make 1 sheet, you get 3 of each, 9 total. So that tells me I kept going. If you have 5 sheets of the dull stickers, you get 15 of each and you get 45 total. So what that's going to do is that's going to leave you with 1 of each of these left over after you've printed what you need for the 14. So you're going to print 5 sheets of dull stickers, and then you're going to be left over with 1 of each dull sticker, and you're going to hold on to those. Okay, so to recap, to cover these 14 people, you're going to print 5 dull sheets, and that's going to leave you with 1 of each of the dull stickers left over, and you're going to print 2 shiny sheets like this, and that's going to leave you with 4 of the shinies left over. So this is what you've printed so far. This is what you have left over to deal with this group of 13. Now this gets interesting because, again, you told me you need 2 dull stickers, 2 of the non-shiny stickers for each of these 13 people. That means that you need a total of 26 dull stickers. And you need at least 13 of them to be different than the other 13. You don't even need 213. You just need 13 of one kind and 13 of another, I think, because I think you can just randomly give them any of the 2 dulls based on what you told me. Okay, so if I print 2 dulls, 2 more of these, let's say I print 2 more dulls, 2 dull sheets, that's going to leave me, that's going to give me with, I'm just going to make a total of what I have left now. Of these, if I print 2 more dull sheets, that's going to give me 3, 6, and the 1 left over, so that gives me 7. If I print, then I would also have 7 of the triangles, and I would have 7 of the squares. Stay with me, even if I lost you. It's okay. I'll circle back. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is what math looks like, people. Please don't think that math should be easy just because it's easy for your teacher who's been teaching it for 10 years or 20 years or 30 years. They just forget what it's like to figure something out. Okay, so we need 26 dull stickers. I got distracted. We need 26 dull stickers. We have 7, 14, 21. That's not enough. Okay, so I'm going to need to print 1 more. So let's make that 3 dull sheets. And then that will give me 10, 10, and 10. Because again, the 3 dull sheets is going to give me 27 total stickers, but you have these 3 left over. So 10 of each. That will leave you with 30 stickers. In those 30, you have an option where you can do 10 people. Do you have enough to do 13 different ones, though? I don't know. So how could you do it? You could do 10 groups of all these, but then you're just left with 10 of these. 13 people. So you could do 5 of these, 5 of these, and then 5 of these. 5, 5, and 5. Okay, so you're going to make, for these group of 26, you're going to put circle and square together. You're going to make 5 batches of those. Then you're going to put circle and triangle together, and you're going to make 5 batches of those. Then you're going to make 5 remaining batches of 10, 20, 30, 5. What's left? Okay. Square, and there we go. Okay. So, for those 13 people, 5 of them will get this, 5 of them will get this, 3 of them will get this, and you'll have 2 left over. So, if you print all of this, you'll have these shiny remaining, and you'll have 2 left over of 4. You'll have 4 dull stickers remaining. So, 4 dull, and it'll be 2 of one kind, and 2 of another. Okay, so to summarize, for the 27 people, you need to print 5 of your dull sheets that look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to print 2 of your shiny sheets, and then you need to print 3 more dull sheets. So in total, you need 8 dull sheets, which will print you 8 times 9 is 72, and then you need 2 shiny sheets, which will be 18. So 8 and 2, 10 total sheets of paper you need to print. This is how much work that took me to figure out. Could I have done it quicker? Could I have done it neater? Would I do it the same if I had to teach it to someone right now? No. But this is what figuring something out looks like. Oh my goodness. This is what math looks like, people. You're not bad at math. You've just never seen it done.